Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, I have earplugs in. Something. Before I start the main video. Here. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a squishy video for you guys. Because Lisa said I would do this video and I haven't done it in a month. Long time, but I'm still doing it. So, like for you guys. So there's two words for soft with squishies, if you guys don't know what it means. So the first one is like, oh, it's soft, this is so soft. And then the second one's really important because that's what Miss Squishy person. And I did all my information, so I'm pretty sure this is what it means. And I asked a lot of people. When you squish it, it's really easy to squish. Like, it's really soft and squishy to squish. But when it's, like, hard, this one, like, it's hard to squish, it's not soft. It can be still soft when it's jumbo, but this is a perfect size. It's really dense. I bought this one. I'm just kidding, I made it. It is a Pop-Tart. It's really dense though. Example, I don't really have a hard squishy, but yeah. I have my right there, my backpack for school, and I'm just holding it. It smells so amazing every time you squish it. So that is today's video, and I'm gonna be vlogging later. So yeah, bye.